Hi guys, hope you guys are doing great. This video is about how to build an Fiori application using Rap Service. Let's talk about how to build an Fiori application using Rap Service. First thing is I built an application on the on-premise, one of the sample application Rap which I was built on on-premise. On on-premise, I was build an Rap application. I already know that it will have some one service URL or else service name. It contains some service URL. By using that service URL, we are going to display the output of the wrap application which was built. In the meanwhile, while deploying it in service bindings, we'll have one some name like service name v4 or v2 service name of that particular application, so that it will be totally completed one of the wrap application on premise. How to convert that on-premise wrap application into PTP platform into converted into Fiori application. First thing is we need one of the thing like cloud connector to connect SAP on-premise plus SAP BTP, so that will establish a connection between the two systems on-premise and SAP BTP cloud platform. So that this is the one of the way to which we can convert the app application app into the application into the Fiori application. Once it got connected on-premise plus P2P application, we need to set up the Fiori application, Fiori configuration, so that we can access our app application on-premise by using that on-premise app application by making of changes in the configuration on Fiori, which is related to the Fiori, so that it will get converted into the complete Fiori application by using the wrap service name. Let's talk about in the practical way. I will not show in the practical, it's not having access on this system, so that they will say this is one of the wrap application which you're seeing the pic now. It is on premise. This is the wrap application. It will have one service name v4, either with a v4 or v2. It will have one service name. The pic which you've seen now is the pic related to the PTP platform. After setting up all things related to the Fiori, it will ask like service name. This service name defines your wrap application on premise. It is coming from your on premise system wrap application. As you can see that system got connected and system name is like web technology platform which you got connected, and this is your system name. After connecting your system, it will automatically show the services which you created like v4 or v2 regarding that app application which was built on premise. Once you make configuration of all those things, you will be completely, it will look like one of the Fiori application. It will get converted into the app application. These all steps will be provided blocks and configuration step to step. I will mention the links in the description. can find check them out. What are the things need to be taken to convert and wrap services into an Fiori application? These are all links which I will be provided in the description where you can follow the steps and build an Fiori application by using wrap service. First thing is like to connect the on-premise plus SAP BTP cloud platform. This blog will help you to connect in between the on-premise plus BTP platform. Once it gets done, you need to configure the Fiori things in the BTP platform, where the Business Application Studio in BTP platform have some Fiori configuration need to made. That's all things which were mentioned in this blog, and it will show service name which is shown in the picture. As you seen in the picture, this is a picture which come across in the second blog. What are the configurations you are going to make? All those things will get reflect. Once it gets done, it will be completely viewing of an Fiori application, which is already defined in the blog and each and every step. This is the process of creating overall by connecting of on-premise and SAP BTP platform and converting of an app-based service into an Fiori application. By completing first two things, as you all know, without clicking on the go, you cannot get the data, or you cannot get the data as you seen in the next picture. These all things will be done in the once it you get configured in the Fiori application. Once it gets your application done, you need to make some setting of an Fiori application that all configuration will be done in this blog so that while you're viewing of an application, it will not get any more by clicking on the go. The data will be coming out from the application soon after you started the application without clicking on go. By default, once you started the application running, the data will be visible in default. That the third block will define as configuration to set up in the Fiori application. Um, this is the main thing you need to remember. This will not be take place in your wrap application. Once you get once you got build a Fiori application by using the wrap service, then only it will be possible when you configure in the Fiori application in the PTP platform. It will not happen in the wrap application. It will happen only in the Fiori application. Once you get done with the configuration in the business application studio, which is related to the business technology platform. It's all about this video, guys. Thank you for your presence and listening. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, and stay tuned for more updates in coming days for many more videos regarding specific knowledge and the things which I am working on. I will be sharing of knowledge which I done practically and what the things need to be done in the daily life regarding SAP. Thank you.